you sons of bitches! This chicken ain't big enough for the 6 of us.
Hey, you can't be behind us, little cheating bitch.
Delirious, why'd you bring a fucking shovel to a showdown? You stupid piece of shit.
I shovel to a vegetable fight.
I forgot, but damn good.
We know who the vegetable of the group is.
What?
I guess we're starting. I guess we're starting.
Don't you ever talk about me!
He's got the chicken already!
Destination! Hey, where you going for, Zero, huh? Where you going? I got the chicken!
Yeah.
If you hear me, cluck, cluck, cluck.
Delirious.
Yes.
Help
me.
They're coming in.
Hello.
Delirious,
Help me.
fix me a drink, Delirious.
Help me.
They're in the bar, they're in the bar, they're in the bar.
Chicken? Would you like some chicken?
Anybody want some drinks and some chicken?
Evan's right in the corner! Watch out! Delirious is behind the bar. Evan's in the corner.
We got a special today on the menu. We got some chicken strips and a side of Terrorizer.
Get it, boy! Run upstairs, get onto the roof!
Okay. Give me.
Oh, God.
You think your chicken? You do. Give me my damn chicken!
No!
I'm hungry!
Hey, yo, chicken!
He's running on the roof. He jumped down. He jumped down. I got him. Get the chicken. No!
He's got the chicken. He's got the chicken.
We gotta grab that chicken.
Go, Garby, motherfucker, Garby.
Garby.
Yeah, you Garby.
Gargabop. Everybody,
We
Garby.
got this. We got
Where
this.
is it?
You fucking bitches.
Never mind.
You guys are so far in the goddamn back!
Run, Delirious. Run to the sunset. Run to the sunset.
It's about chicken!
Where you going? Where you going with that chicken? I got the chicken. I'm running to the sunset.
We got it.
Yeah.
You guys are so
Took that chicken and got the hell out of there.
I got the chicken.
Go for it.
Run.
He's got a shovel. Get out of here.
way!
Yeah, I had 10 health.
That's bullshit.
Wow.
I'll protect you.
Terrorizer.
Protect you.
Terrorizer.
Never mind.
I can't get on the goddamn roof!
Me and Terrorizer shot each other in the face.
You guys get the goddamn chicken!
No!
You'll never
Not
get my
allowed.
chicken.
Watch out. Back it up. Back it up.
No.
Move!
Come towards me!
I got him.
Get him!
No, go up, you son of a bitch! This is for chicken life! This is for chicken love! Oh, God.
What?
No! I love the chicken.
Oh, goddamn moose! Protect them!
Thank you. You're a damn savior.
Oh,
Damn savior. Oh,
someone's
God,
got a carrot.
Move! This way! Move! This way! That way!
Push.
Open the door! Oh!
God!
Yeah.
He said this one this way!
You fucking bitches!
We're too good, motherfucker! Get him, move! Kick his ass! Beat his ass, move!
Come on! There we go!
No! Please!
I got him.
Nice.
No.
Got us! Got us! Run! Save me! Save me!
This fucking game.
That's it! Run!
What is this game?
We're coming! Keep running towards us!
Help me! Oh my God! Please! No!
Get him, Marcel!
What are you doing with that shovel?
God damn it! Grab the chicken and run!
Yes! The chicken's stuck! Yes!
Is this seriously
Make
stuck?
sure they don't get it. That's all we have to do.
It's not stuck. We just need to protect the chicken, guys. We just need to protect the chicken. They can't get the chicken.
Oh, somebody's trying to.
Marcel's going on the.
Watch out,
No,
Delirious. Just chill there. Just chill. Delirious.
Got the motherfucking chicken.
Someone's shooting me.
Got the motherfucking chicken.
Delirious, just dance around there. Just dance around.
I am. I'm dancing.
Oh, watch out, Delirious.
No! Leave me and my chicken alone, please! I can't dance!
Get it! Run! He's only got a shovel! Run!
Where you going?
What?
Where you going, Mr. Clean? Where you going?
Yeah. Bring the chicken. Hey, bring it in the barn and up top.
In the barn.
Up.
Alright,
right, we got you. We got you.
Ah, someone shot me.
Get the.
Okay,
No.
I got.
What the
Oh God,
fuck?
oh God, I fell down. I fell down. I fell.
Get it. I got it.
Other side.
Hey, stay up.
He's in the middle. He's in the middle.
He's in the middle in the bar.
Oh, no.
Jump back.
In the middle on top.
Go.
They're taking the chicken to the spawn.
I got him.
How many times have we said chicken?
I don't know.
Not enough.
Subscribers count it. Fellas. Hey, don't shoot at me. It's rude.
Why is
Where are
that
you
chicken? Why is that
guys?
chicken so
Don't
special?
protect
Huh?
me.
Oh my God!
I can't
run.
fuck him up. I can't fuck him up. Behind you, running.
Yeah. Beat the
Ow,
shit out
ow.
of you. Drop that damn chicken.
Evan, kill me. He's coming up.
God damn it. Go.
Fuck these bitches.
I'm on the chase. I'm on the fucking chase. Let's go get him out.
Fuck, I'm right behind him.
Let's get him.
Where you going?
Where you at? There he is. I got the assist.
Get it. Yes.
Beat that shit out of you. I'll beat that shit out of you. Help me. Go on top. Where's the chicken?
No.
Where's the fucking chicken?
Oh no.
Yeah, give me the chicken.
He has it.
I don't have the chicken, please. It's not me.
Get him. Get it. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Bring it back.
It's hard to bring it back on this side.
Get that chicken.
Get him. He's on the roof.
Yes.
No, he's not on the roof.
Come on. Run.
I do have the secret formula of the Colonel himself.
So close.
It's finger licking good, boy.
Help me.
No! There's two coming on the right side.
Ain't nobody coming over.
Come on, we gotta get it right now.
Marcel doesn't have a gun. Where you going, huh? Where you fucking going, huh? You fucking going?
Get him, Scott.
No!
There we go.
They're all by the house.
Other way.
Go on.
I ain't have any bullets.
Keep
Protecting me. No, he
Come on, you got this.
They
Let's
won.
go.
We can't. There's no way we can go back.
Points.
Damn it!
Let's go.
No.
Yes! That chicken's been saved.
Damn them!
Oh, damn!
I'm going to the top.
got you baited.
I'm going to the top.
Oh, delirious.
I'm going to the top.
Oh, hello?
Brian's.
Hello?
Brian's. Right there, Brian. Oh no.
There you
Oh,
go.
you're such a
Let's
bitch.
go, huh?
Delirious
Let's
is
go.
Going to the top.
Motherfucker,
I
let's
suck
go,
at
huh? You wanna go,
Oh, who's-
Marcel, huh? You
Yeah.
wanna
what
go,
you-
huh? You sniping
trying
at
to do?
somebody?
Delirious, watch out. Camp the ladder.
Get off him!
No! Just stand at the top of the ladder.
Behind you, move! Behind you!
God
Delirious,
damn it.
let me know if they're coming
Spawn
up.
on the other side of the
Let me know if
map.
they're coming up.
They're both down here. They're coming up. They're coming up.
Go.
What's that?
Coming up.
This side.
Go down. Okay.
Fucking jumped off.
Okay.
Damn it.
Okay. Help me.
Oh, you almost got turned on.
Let me in. They're
Yes,
coming
I
up.
did.
No, they're up. They got it.
I was trying so hard to get back up there, but I couldn't.
I got the
Rock's
chicken.
got it.
Never mind.
The chicken. Made the chicken sound.
Motherfucker over there, snipe me! All right, they got the chicken.
Where you at?
In the middle. He's running to the other side.
Shit.
Watch out, Marcel's on top sniping.
Yep.
He's on top sniping. We can kill this guy.
Where you going?
Oh my fuck.
Yes.
Damn it. Top of the ladder.
What the hell? Where'd you come from?
Okay,
Behind
we're good
you,
right here.
baby.
All right.
Just
4-0's
watch that.
at the bottom. He's in the house.
Got him.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh.
I'm ready. I'm ready like the wind.
That
I'm
laugh.
ready like the damn wind. Give me the help.
Go.
Oh,
Oh, they
no.
here. They
Double
here.
T.
Fuck. Damn it. We're in the lead right now, guys. We just need to keep killing them when they get the chicken.
Thanks for the tip. Pro tip.
Pro tips by Delirious.
Oh, no.
Come on, gang up on this motherfucker.
Run, Marcel.
With that
It's all
pistol.
you.
Need that pistol.
What are you trying to do with that chicken?
I was trying to pick up some corn so I can fuck you up.
Does anybody want some peas, huh? Anybody want some damn peas?
Oh no.
They're up
Into the
there.
sunset, my
He's in
chicken
there, he's in
brother.
there, he's in there.
Into the sunset.
You went to the wrong sunset. They're running in the sunset.
Let me, Scotty.
They're running in
No.
the sunset.
Okay, here we go.
All right, this is
No
our
one's
sunset.
here to protect you.
Oh, they're double teaming.
Terrorizer.
They're
Get him. Oh, they spawn here. They spawn here.
No! Got him.
Where's the carrot? We need the carrot.
Don't worry, Moo. We got you. We got your back.
Yeah.
Oh, nice
Cover
spawn.
for
Oh,
cover.
they're coming. They're coming.
I know which way. Left. Oh, left.
yeah, by me,
Watch
by
out.
me.
Might want to start. There's one, two, far right, one far left.
Oh no.
All right.
Chicken carrots, motherfucker!
He's got a carrot! He's got a goddamn
Oh,
carrot!
no! I got him! I got him!
Marcel's on me.
No.
Oh, he got me.
No!
Nice.
No!
Oh, what the fuck?
Get him.
No!
The pea shooter fucking sucks! Yeah. Come on.
I
He's
spawned.
still back there. No one spawned back there. Are you serious?
Oh shit,
I'm
boys.
getting up on him.
boys.
I'm getting up on him.
I spawned
Where you going,
right
chicken
next.
man? Where you going?
Come here, come
behind me. That's
Yep.
awesome.
That's fine.
Yes!
Chicken. Get
Got
the
him.
chicken.
I got chicken. I
Carrot
got
spawn.
chicken.
Where's the carrot spawn?
Oh,
Don't worry
coming
about the
over
carrot
here.
spawn. Get the chicken.
Coming over here. These motherfuckers. What the fuck kind of gun was that?
Help! 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 Oh my god!
How did you get the goddamn carrot?
It's spawned right there. Scotty, behind us. Behind me.
No.
I was about to just
the
run
dumb
up and
peed
waste
out.
myself.
Got him.
Body comes out of
Motherfucker!
nowhere.
Marcel's getting every fucking weapon!
Well, the sniper spawns right here every time.
Oh, we didn't fucking practice the game.
I didn't practice the game either.
Come on. Look at it!
Top ropes, baby.
Fucking. Oh my god.
Get pea shooter, bitch.
Dude,
Pea
get
shooter.
Who's got the chicken?
On me.
Who's got the chicken?
This
They're going
side,
to
this
win,
side.
guys. We need to get it.
Tie it up.
Wait,
It's tied.
Oh no.
Oh,
Keep the ladder
shit.
safe, Scotty.
I don't even know where the fuck is the ladder.
On the
Coming up.
I got him.
I got him.
Get the chicken. I got the chicken.
Oh,
Yes,
they're right behind you. Right behind you.
Fucking kill them!
Marcel's coming.
Kill them! Please!
Come on.
No!
Got it. Oh shit.
Fuck you! I technically still have the chicken right in front of me.
That was so
It
fucking
was so much fun.
All right, listen up, you fucking motherfuckers.
Yes, listen up, you motherfuckers! Fucking.
Listen.
Wait. Whose mothers are being fucked here, okay?
Your mother! Oh god.
Is that it? Is that the starting pistol?
Run it back. Run it back.
My mother is a saint.
That's why I was trying to run away.